Hey Paul, what's that plant?
Well, Scott, this plant here is the woolly Grevillea, also known as Grevillea langera Mount Tamboritha. So anyways, it's from Australia. There's a few different names. They call it a coastal gem. There's some slight varieties and debate on it, but I'm not going to go into that. They pretty much look the same to me. I have both, but just call this a woolly Grevillea to be simple. So what's unique about it is the leaf structure and the plant structure. It's really kind of, describe it as woolly. It's really soft and delicate. It can tolerate down to the 20s, and it is drought tolerant. It does full sun to part sun. It's a great ground cover. It grows about 1 to 2 feet tall, 4 to 6 feet wide. Really easy, maintenance free. You just trim it back 1 or 2 times a year. Blooms throughout the year, but right now in the winter and spring it really blooms profusely, as you can see. It's a great Grevillea. I guess the drawback would be that you can see it sometimes will just kind of, parts of it will die, so you just trim it back and it will keep going. This receives 1 drip head right now, so it's really a drought tolerant plant. Does really well, maintenance free. So woolly Grevillea, definitely a great Grevillea to have if you want some ground cover, something to kind of just spread out and not get too tall. And it's really soft. It's not spiky like some of the other Grevilleas we've shown. And so I highly recommend this one. Great ground cover, woolly Grevillea, also known as Grevillea langera Mount Tamboritha. So there you go. It's a mouthful, but it's a cool plant. Bam! Boom. It's a mouthful.